Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Petrolhead's Paradise. So I've been doing YouTube since 3 years, and within 3 years I've made a lot of YouTube videos. And you all guys have given me so much love and support. Thanks a lot to you guys. It's because of you that we have crossed 1 lakh subscribers on our YouTube channel. So in this super boring lockdown period, I just sat and thought I just go back down to my all YouTube videos and have a look at the videos again. And then I just realized, why not let's share the moments with you guys. And some videos are super crazy that you will love to watch them again. There will be some videos that you might have not seen before, but they've been on my channel and they are rocking now. So why not let's start the videos from this one. So this is the video when the front carbon fiber GTR, which I've called India's baddest carbon fiber GTR, which is Devzilla, which came from Delhi to Mumbai, and I've made a video with this car. You can have a look at the car, and this rear wing, the spoiler you can see behind is not just a snap-on wing, but it's an active spoiler. While braking, the wing turns like a Bugatti Veyron, and this is the car which came to Mumbai. The car is building a boost now. The car built a boost for around 15 to 20 seconds, and then you have to see what happened. The car just took off like an airplane. The car almost has 800 horsepower. So this is the video when I personally saw McLaren for the first time in front of my eyes, and this is India's second McLaren. The first McLaren was owned by Mr. Ranjit, and the second McLaren in India is owned by Mr. Gautam Singhania. When the Gautam Singhania's team said car will be coming out at 9:30 in the night, so before 9:30 we have to touch at Mr. Singhania's house, and then she came by one of the most beautiful cars I ever seen, the McLaren 720S. Have a look at this. The moment when McLaren 720S was driving just beside me was nothing which I felt before. The tunnel just before the international airport, here to this. Oh, have a look, it's such a beautiful car. McLaren 720S in Mumbai for the first time. So the M6 which went has got a G-Power supercharger upgrade and an Eisenman exhaust. The car is tuned to 750 horsepower at this time, and you have to listen to this V10. This was the loudest car I've ever heard. This is the moment when John Abraham came with his facelifted 2017 GTR. I'm a huge fan of him, and so his car. He's such a great person. Oh, it was me who said bye-bye, John. Such a beautiful car and such a great person. So next we have Audi R8 attacked by people. So guys, this is exactly what happened. It's not a clickbait or something. Man, the G-Wagon was so fast, isn't it? I'll just fast forward to. Have a look at this. Look at the people, what they are doing to the car now. And have a look at the people going crazy over the car. And that was not just it. Have a look at this. People are going stupidly crazy for the car, making the car stop. So just car have to go, and it went. Most of the time we have seen boys going crazy for supercars, but it's not all the time. Just you should have a look at this. Have a look at this video when girls were going ultimately crazy and doing these things just to see the cars from close. Oh, have a look at it. What? Have you ever seen girls going crazy something like this just for supercars? If you have seen something like this, tell me in the comments below. These are just some videos which I shared some funny stuff and some crazy stuff. There are even more videos which I'll be showing you in future. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe to Petrolhead's Paradise. So till then, take care, make some noise, stay safe. Bye bye, take care, and Jai Hind. Woo!